Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to write encouragements on the Nomo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should wait a few seconds till it's loaded in and add your Touch ID to unlock the app. Click on the home button in the upper left corner of the screen and scroll down to the Encourage section and tap on it. Here you are going to find three sections at the top: Read, Write and Saved. If you want to add your own encouragement, tap on the Write button and tap on the button in the upper right corner to start writing your new encouragement. Tap into this box and then start writing your encouragement. After you are done, you should select a category down below, such as all, alcohol, drugs, smoking, pornography, codependency, gambling, depression, anger, and so on. Click on the submit button and then click on post encouragement. And after, your encouragement will be available to all of the users of this application. So here your name will be displayed, your encouragement, your status, post date, and the likes as well. If you want to delete it, go back to this section and tap on the delete button so that you can get rid of this. Here you can save your and find your saved items, write and read as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.